Brittany with WTI, and if your man's gonna go for a long hike all day in the sun, you gotta make sure he's protected, and I was so happy that I found this isnowood sun hoodie. It is so light and it has UV protection. I love the hood because you never know which angle the sun's going to be coming at you when you're on the trail, so you can protect your neck, your face, put your hat over it. It really just adds that extra protection. The material is so nice and soft. I really appreciated the thumb holes so that it was easy for him to make sure that the shirt doesn't get bunched up and you can still use your hands easily. The hem, everything is just so well made. It's stretchy so that it allows him to have really easy movement, which is perfect for when he's exerting himself. It is such a simple design, but made with just such high quality materials that it really made this big 20-mile hike so much easier to accomplish. I highly recommend it. He loved it. It's definitely his new favorite hiking shirt. And that's my point of view.